Hello, and welcome to the Fogler Library tutorial about how to request books through the MaineCat catalog. MaineCat is an online library catalog listing books from public libraries throughout the state of Maine, as well as books from the Maine College of Art, Bowdoin, Bates, and Colby Colleges, Maine's community college system, and the University of New England. You can request books from any of these libraries through the MaineCat catalog. Books from the Library Search catalog also appear in the MaineCat catalog. Books requested through the Library Search catalog don't take as long to arrive as books requested through the MaineCat catalog. So if the book you're searching for is in a University of Maine system library, you might want to go to the Library Search catalog and request the book there instead. First, let's go to the MaineCat website. There are several ways to do this. If you're searching for a book that isn't available in the Library Search catalog and you want to know if it's available through the MaineCat catalog, you can follow the MaineCat link. It's on the left side of the screen beneath the heading labeled Repeat Search In. If the book is available in the MaineCat catalog, your search will either open the book's record or give you a list of books sharing that title. Another way to search in the MaineCat catalog is to start at the MaineCat homepage, which is mainecat.maine.edu. Let's search for the book All Systems Read as an example. I'm going to type in the title, make sure that Title is selected from the drop-down list, and click the search button. And here's the book listing. It tells you where the book is located, where it's shelved, what its call number is, and what its request status is. If a copy of this book has the status available, you can request that it be delivered to your home library. Where there is the word due and a date listed in the status area, that means that copy of the book is checked out until that date. Where it says one hold, that means that copy of the book is reserved for someone else to check out. Where the status is labeled local use only, that means you'd have to go to the library where the book is to look at it. Once you know this is the book you want to request, click on the link labeled Request This Item. First, there's a drop-down list asking you to choose your home library. It's important to select the library that matches the library card number you'll be using to make your request. If the library you choose doesn't match the library card number you're using, the request won't go through and you'll get an error message. If you're going to use the library card number on your Maine card, be sure to select University of Maine System as your home library. Then click on Submit Above Information. You'll then be asked to enter your first and last name along with the barcode from your library card. Your barcode number is a small number on the back of your Maine card, directly underneath the barcode itself. If you have a virtual Maine card, you can look up your library card number in the UMaine portal by hovering your mouse over the portal menu labeled Campus Life, and then scrolling down and clicking on the option labeled Maine Card. There's a drop-down list for pickup location, where you need to select where you want to pick up this book when it's ready. With the University of Maine system listed as your home library, you can pick up your book from any of the libraries in the system. If you're picking a book up at Fogler, you'll choose the option labeled UMaine-Orono. When you've filled in your information, click Submit. Then you'll get a message saying that you've successfully requested a book. Books requested through the MaineCat catalog take 5 to 7 days to arrive at Fogler, so it's usually a good idea not to request material at the last minute. Material you've requested through the MaineCat catalog will appear in your request list when you log into your account through the Library Search website. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, please get in touch with a librarian using the contact information on the catalog homepage. We'll be happy to help you.